Today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to put the rear seats up so you can have more cargo space inside of your vehicle, as well as put the rear seats down so you can have places for people in the back seat to see. I'm going to show you about the hidden compartments that they have in here where you can store things away. I'm going to go over all of that, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the GMC Sierra. You can see that the seats are down, and while they're down, you can access these compartments where you can store things in. Right here, you can store things inside of the compartment where they're out of place, out of sight, kind of hidden. I'm gonna take this right here. You have this cup holder right here. This cup holder thing goes down and goes up, as well as you have this compartment over here to where you can store things. Go ahead and shut that. Now, to raise the rear seats, what you're gonna do is simply come up to the seat, raise it up like this. Look at that, old banana, take that out. All I did was pick it up. You see it's in place right now. I picked it up and it locked into place. And I'm gonna go over to the other side and show you how to do it on the other side. Simply come right here, do the same thing, lift it up, it locks into place, just like that. You have the seats locked into place. Now, to put them back down, you'll simply go right here and just give it a little tug down like that. I'm gonna go to the other side as well. Gonna go to the other side. And I have this right here, this seat, and I'll just simply give it a little tug, just like that. And it is down. And that is how you put up the rear seats for more cargo space, as well as put down the seats so you can have extra passengers in the rear of the vehicle. Hope this video has been helpful. I'll actually fold down this headrest if you want to, like that, for more viewing. That's how you put down the rear seats, or put up the rear seats and put down the rear seats in a GMC Sierra. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.